What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be doing a Tokyo Revenger character. Haven't done one of them in a while. So Kawaragi Senju, Kawaragi Senju. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. So I'm on landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're it's in 3/4 pose, right? And he's got like lots of hair, which covers his eyes. But we can see most of the big eye, so we'll draw that first and maybe some of his face and hair and then do that other eye, right? So center point of my page is about here. We're just gonna go over to the left of my center point and start with this eye, right? So we just go diagonal up first and then bring it across, right? Now this part of his eye will go underneath his hair a lot, right? But we can see like eyelashes actually drawn in on this character, so like they're gray and drawn in, right? So what it means is like this kind of thing. Can't see the other side here, so we'll just add a spike, right? I'm sure there's more eyelashes there, but you can't see them because they're underneath hair. Then the bottom eyelid, comes around, say here, right? And we'll go up this side, like so. You could add like an extra line just around there. His iris and his pupil, it's just a half circle, like so, and the pupil we can see just in the middle here. We'll color it black, but I think it's actually dark blue in the anime, I'm not sure. Right, so again, normally I would draw the other eye, but so much of it is covered by hair. I'm going to leave it, right? Because we'd have to draw the whole thing in and erase it and everything. So I'm going to do something a little bit different for this one, right? I'm going to try, we'll do his nose first. So his nose, just down from here, right? We can just see like this sort of diagonal line there. And then his nostril just here. Now look how far over I am. We're in 3/4 pose, so the head is turned away. And then his mouth just underneath the nose here. Like that. And then the teeth just here. And then his bottom lip, like so. Okay. So his chin then, just underneath, see it in line with our nostril, sort of there. And his real pointy chin, like so. And this comes up to the jaw, right underneath here. Like this, and this goes around then underneath to his ear. Okay, so the placement of these things can be quite tricky. See how the nose sticks out further than the mouth? Because like the curvature of his head brings these things down like that. So the mouth is like, the edge of the mouth is in line with the eye, and the mouth in line with the chin and the nostril on this side, right? And then the nose kind of sticks out here. So like see the things that kind of line up with one another. Sort of the nostril, the chin, the mouth, just there. And then the nose is kind of further out. And like in terms of proportion, top eyelid to the, say the bottom of his nose, about the same as bottom of his nose to his chin, right? So even a bit higher. Top of his eye here, that's about the same, right? Just above his eye. So that's about halfway. And then his bottom lip is about halfway between the nose and the chin. So this, about the same as this. So tricky proportion. I know 3/4 pose is always like the hardest sort of pose to draw. So try your best. to get them in the right spot. And then the side of his face comes up this side, curves out. Up to there. And there's all hair that comes across here as well. So we'll just jump over and do the ear first. So earlobe, and then the side of his ear, up to there. Now, so I guess we'll do this hair, right? So let's go. So just coming across here, spiking. Like this. So he's got like loads of detail to his hair. So it's probably like the harder part to draw. But we gotta draw it. Like so. Another spike here. And then another one, say here. Then another one here. It's all kind of flopping down this way. And in here we can see like bones and ligaments, ear lines and things, like just coming around like so. In here, and then something coming around from there, there, there. Right, and then more hair, right? So another sort of hairline coming across this way, flopping back to there. There's no easy way to do this now, you just gotta sort of copy it as best you can. But remember also, hair moves around, blows in the wind, so it doesn't have to be in the exact spot as mine. Like so, and then we've got some coming across the front here. Like so, and then some coming across his eye here. Another one here. And then some more coming down this way. Texture lines on the inside. And boop. And then some coming across here. Down like so, sticking off his head now. I was looking at the manga image. The manga image is actually even more complicated than, like in terms of his hair, than the anime one. It's pretty crazy. There, maybe like another sort of spike just here. And then another one here. Right, there's way more, but we'll just do his eye in here, okay? So we can just see his top eyelid just coming across in this gap. Right, just sort of kind of in line with this one, maybe a little bit lower. And then we can see some eyelashes drawn in on top. There. And then the bottom eyelid around this way, like so. Then like another line underneath. And he's looking over this direction, over to the right, right? So the iris is kind of over to the right in the eye as well. So it's in close to his nose, like over the nose there. And then his pupil, like so. Just color it in dark. Maybe try and just make him a little bit even. Like so, right? And then eyelid line coming across here. Another one coming across here. And then his eyebrow somewhere under here. And here as well. Right, so we'll try and get the hair done. So spike and all. So it's quite complicated hair, as I've said, so just pause if I go too fast. I'm just going to sort of power through it. We're just adding all these spikes. This kind of thing. Some more here. There. Sticking it right up there. And here. What am I? So that goes right up off my page. Comes back down. Another one there. Down. This one goes up this way. Something behind that, and then another waving sort of one going this way. So these spikes go this way now, all the way down around the back of his head. So this is one of the more complicated hair sort of drawings I've done. So anime hair can be quite difficult, you know. Going this way. There. Right, and then there's like another piece that comes across the front. There somewhere. All these spikes on the ends. Back up. Another line there. There. And some more. Sort of stick out here. Down this way. And this eventually joins the back of his neck there. And then we can see a line just for his hair going underneath his ear, like the shaved part of his head, and then the long part, like there. And more spikes here. God, so many. Another line going that way. This sticks off here. Okay. Right, so that's the hardest part done. And then his neck on the other side. And the collar. Comes real far back here. Then this goes down off the page there. He's got like a big collar on and a white line coming down here and there. But that's everything. That's him. That's how to draw Kawaragi, if I'm saying it right. Kawaragi Senju. Kawaragi Senju. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.